Hi, welcome to CATECH Tutorials. In this class, we are going to draw case front cover. Okay, remember that it's a case front cover. Select this plane. Let's start. Again, select a circle, and its diameter is 38 mm. Okay, 38 mm. Let's zip and give the thickness of it, and its thickness is 5 mm. Preview in reverse direction. Okay, so here again I'm selecting this plane. Again I want a circle with diameter 24 mm. Before that I am going to coincidence with this 2 points, and its diameter is 24 mm. Right, then it's the workbench, use the pad, and dimension is 2 mm. Preview. Okay, this is the part. Okay, and now I need one more operation. It is nothing but hole, so this is the shortcut to make a hole. I am selecting this periphery of the circle and this plane. Now I want to give a diameter of this hole. It is 12 mm and its depth is 7 mm, so it is 10. It's okay. Right, we have done a hole with center point. It's fine, very fine. Now again I want a hole. So the hole diameter is 2.8 mm. So here now I didn't select this periphery of the circle, directly select this face. So now I want to give a position for the sketch. Okay, so where it is? Yes, here it is. So make coincidence with this line and give certain distance. It is 15 mm. Okay, now it's constrained into the workbench. See, here it is with 2.8 mm diameter through depth. Okay, right, now I need circular pattern with this operation. Sorry. So here he is asking object to pattern. Okay, here I have to select this one, its hole, and reference element it is circular pattern. I have to select this axis. Here how many parts I need? It is 6 mm. So complete drone I need it. Okay, preview. Okay, this is I want. Now I have another operation. I need to do another operation. It is nothing but radius, and its thickness is 2 mm. Preview. Okay, right, this is the component I need to draw. So here I done. Let's check me the values, is it correct or wrong. Yes, everything is okay, and this is the final part. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching CATECH Tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.